Mark, what if you could live with a Michelin-rated chef? Like every night they had 5-course dinners ready to go. That would be amazing, right?
It would be amazing, but I would just get fatter and fatter and fatter.
That is true. That is true.
I got one better for you, though.
All right.
What if you could buy a house that was a master carpenter's house?
Oh.
Master handyman, built a beautiful pergola. He used to do masonry, so he built this wood stove out back, wood fireplace.
Keep talking, big boy.
And then inside, there's this beautiful shiplap,
Daddy, all about it.
shiplap electric fireplace.
I'm guessing that's where you have us today.
That's where we're at today.
It's awesome. We are in the middle of Nexton. What a great location. So you've got access to everything that Nexton has. You could go by golf cart to everything that Cane Bay has also, because we're just over on that side of Nexton.
It's like the best of both worlds.
It really is.
So you're in Nexton, you can golf cart right up to those stores. Golf cart up, have a beer at Buffalo Wild Wing.
One beer.
One beer only.
Only if you're driving a golf cart.
One beer. Sorry, one beer.
If you want to go bike up and have a beer, just have 3. Just wear a helmet. Yeah, you'll be fine.
So we are in North Creek in Nexton. We're at 486 Fox Sparrow Court. It's a beautiful home, mostly one story.
Yeah.
It's got an extra space upstairs. It's like a little suite up there.
Yeah.
Super nice. All hard floors everywhere. I think we should go check it out.
I cannot wait for y'all to see the back porch. Let's go see this thing.
So did I tell you master carpenter?
Hey, you weren't joking.
Look at this thing.
This would be amazing. This has got a metal roof on top of it. Can you imagine what it would sound like out here in the rain?
Oh, I would put a hammock out here for sure. Like I would
never. You cannot buy this house. I will never get you back to work. No work out of you.
Yeah. Well, remember, we're right here in Nexton, so close to everything Cane Bay has to offer, and you could probably still golf cart down to Nexton Square if you have one of them good lithium-ion batteries. Right?
Maybe. I wonder if you get a golf cart with a gerbil that runs the wheel as a backup plan in case
hybrid.
Is that what a hybrid is?
I don't know.
The gerbil with the wheel?
Maybe.
Let's invent that. Maybe we'll stick with real estate.
Well, listen, if you want to know more about this house, let us know. We would love to show you 486 Fox Sparrow Court, or call your realtor for a showing now.
Yeah, seriously, come check. This one is really special. You want to see this one.
All right, all of our info is down in the description. Click that link to schedule a Zoom call with us. If you have any questions, you want to talk more about it, we would love to do that. But email, text works too. We'll see you in the next one.
See y'all.